What's up, my beautiful family members and friends? Of course, we know it is now 2024, and I thought I would start this year off with a message by way of song. You guys heard a little snippet of it before, but this one will play all the way through. It is a song performed by my beautiful sister, Zena Faye. The song was written by she and I, produced by yours truly, arranged by yours truly. This song is part autobiographical, but it's also very symbolic of the time that we are in. Make no mistake about it, this year we will see karma, or what I call cause and effect, being played out on a scale like never before seen. I am talking about in our individual lives and globally. So as you listen to this song and follow the words, know that its meaning runs skin deep, pun intended, to those who are familiar with my song Skin Deep. So sit back, pay attention, and by all means, please go over to Spotify, stream the song, share the song, follow my sister. She has an EP coming out, and all of the songs, just like my project, has a greater high-frequency message in them all. All right, I'll be back soon. Immeasurable love, always.
What goes around comes back around.
This is your Karmic Payday, and only you can cash it away.
What goes around comes back around. And now the time has come to me. This is your Karmic Payday. They know it is formality for all of the hurts and wrong you've done to me. This is your Karmic Payday.
You thought you got away? Well, I am here to say it's time for you to get yours, your Karmic Payday. Cause all the things you do will sure come back on you. You saw and fuss and discuss a ball of melee. Now, you see why all the times you made me cry. Display my love for you and all my trust came to rely. But you work so hard all the time, invest in things that do not shine. Cause so much juju energy, the force has crossed a red line. I'm so for real, I'm on a hill for all the hurt inside and scorn you're making me feel. Now in reverse, you live this curse through all the siege plants and coast plants. What's worse, deceiving, misleading, babies grieving, the lying, the cheating, and secretly conceiving. What you expect will happen in due time, especially when you scheme against our hearts like mine.
What goes around comes back around. And now the time has come to me. This is your Karmic Payday. They know it is formality for all of the hurts and wrong you've done to me. This is your Karmic Payday.
I gave you my love and respect and I gave you my all to protect and I gave up a lot for your best. Yes, I went to hell and back for you despite the hell you put me through. I struggled through years of your abuse, forgave an array of your misuse. Cause you know I went to bat for you, devoted most of my life to you, but all you saw is what I didn't do. But now you never do what it feels like from the other side. For all you give and breathe without our thoughts can be denied. How does it feel crying yourself alone through sleepless nights? How do you heal from the drama and eternal fight? How does it feel when you know that haters on your back and push for your fall? Reciprocity could keep us thankful and free, but this never be live so disrespectfully.
What goes around comes back around. And now the time has come to me.